Okay, today I'm going to share a story about the origin of horror. So today I'm going to share a story about the origin of horror. Horror means in English alcohol. So in a Karbi community, horror is mandatorily used in all ceremonies, including birth, marriage, death rituals, community rituals, religious rituals, and many more. So before, the concept of horror in a Karbi community, there was no concept. But then the sky god, the Songsa Richo, he sees that Karbi has no meaning without horror. So he initiate a solution to solve this crisis. So what he did, Songsa Richo has two daughters. Named this is Kong and Chin. He advised to his two daughters, Kong and Chin, that you go to Earth and then you give a specimen to the Karbi community, and then so that they would be able to make horror. So, if you talk about the process of making horror, we need two main ingredients. That is cooked rice and the yeast thap. In Karbi we say thap. And then to make thap, the preparation of thap, it has also a story, and I will get back on it. But before that, I would like to share about horror. And then, while drinking horror, we have some certain rules that we must follow. First is that we the young people are not allowed to drink with the elder people. And also when it comes to female are also not allowed to drink with the male. Because in our community, it is tend to believe that it might happen intoxications, and it has a punishment if male and female drink together at the same time. So this is the rule. And so Songsa Richo told his two daughters, Kong and Chin, that you go to Earth and then...
So hello everyone. Today I will be storytelling about Rongbin, which is the people of the parallel universe, the Karbi people. So basically I feel very much scared because I don't know about the full story, but I'll try to bring some of the point which I know, since as I have been hearing since my childhood. My grandmother used to tell me about this story. So Rongbin, the people, the Karbi people, they reside in the place called Nothengpi. So this Nothengpi is situated in between Sarihajan, my place, my birthplace, Sarihajan to Balipathar. So it is between that. So in order to travel from Difu to Sarihajan, it is 60 km far, and then from Sarihajan to Nothengpi, it's 10 km far. So as
the story, people say that seeing is believing, right? Seeing is believing. It's all people say, but I will say that all we see, it's present, but those things we did not see with our naked eyes are also
Present.
are expressed by our feelings or touch. So same like that, in Karbi story, we have a mythological Karbi story. Or folk tales, which teach us how to conserve and preserve the forest, like that. So I will say by looking, sir.
Okay.
There is a beautiful valley covered with evergreen trees, forest, like that, where there is a rivers. One of the rivers flowing from the.
I'd like to share a story about Serdihun. We all know the goddess of the weaving who introduced to the Karbi community. So Serdihun, a name Ser means gold, Sona jo hum bolte hain. So known as the first women who introduced weaving to the Karbis, and the tools she used to use while the process of weaving was Therang.
How many of you have visited Paklongklam? Its other name is Bilughat, which is in Dongmuka. So it has a nice view, it has a waterfall. But did you know there's a story associated with it? So you see, there's a story which has been passed down to the locals. which is that it's also it's a place which is also known as the God's place. You see, ancient time, during the time of gods, gods used to have assembly there. Okay, so at that time, there was one big python. You see, we have a waterfall, right? So the python used to block the water, so that the gods can have a peaceful
The
assembly.
young beautiful lady has spoken about horror, correct? So I will speak something. अगर टूरिस्ट है तो इसको ट्राई क्यों करना है, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Well, horror, it's a very powerful, alcoholic drinks in our tradition. बहुत पावरफुल है. तो हॉर्ट को सबसे पहले इन्वेंट किसने किया था? स्टोरी तो ठीक बताया था मैडम ने, अच्छा है, हमको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. अभी हम बताएंगे कि इसको डिस्कवर कब किया और कैसे किया. सबसे पहले तो मैं एक नाम लूँगा जो हम लोग का एंसेस्टर लुक, बहुत साइज में बड़ा होता है, बहुत ताकतवर होता है, जंग में हमेशा जाता है. तो एक लड़का है, उसका नाम मैं अपने खुद को डाल दूंगा, शिवो. उसका नाम है शिवो रोंपी.
Actually, I would like to tell about the Sir-vomu. So, I would like to say in Assamese if possible. Yes. Chokma.
Okay.
কাৰ্ডম পোনপ্ৰথমে মই আপোনালোকক সকলোকে মই কাৰ্ডম জনাইছোঁ. কাৰ্ডম আৰু মই এতিয়া মানে চিৰ-ভোমু বিষয়ে ক'বলৈ গৈ আছোঁ. চিৰ-ভোমু হৈছে ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ নিয়াৰ বাই দ্য কাৰ্বি লাংপি. তাত পাহাৰ আছে, মানে সেই পাহাৰখনত মানে সেই ওচৰত গাঁও আছে, 2-3খন গাঁও আছে. আৰু তাতে মানে আগৰ দিনত সেইখন গাঁৱৰ ওচৰে পাজৰৰ গাঁওখনত মানে এটা হেৰি আছে, এইটো ঈগল আছিলে, মানে এইটো জ্ঞান ঈগল বুলি কয় আমি, ডাঙৰ আছে মানে ঈগলটো. গতিকে তাতে সৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালী খেলিব নোৱাৰে, মানে তাতে খেলা ধূলা কৰিব নোৱাৰি. আৰু তাত ঈগল এশাল ঈগল আছে তাত, মানে আৰু পোৱালি কেইটামান আছে তাতে. তো খাদ্য সন্ধানত সেই ঈগলজনী মাকে তাত সৰু সৰু বাচ্চাবোৰক উঠাই লৈ আনি সেইটো খাদ্য যোগান ধৰে. তো ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবোৰ তাত খেলা ধূলা কৰিব নোৱাৰি. তেনেস্থলত মানে গাঁৱৰ সকলো তাত গাঁৱৰ মানুহবোৰ অসুবিধা হ'ল, ভয় খাবলগীয়া হ'ল তাতে.
Notes also there is.
This is interesting.
Okay, first I'll start with this. Notes. This is Sri Lanka. Notes. No, Sri Lanka paisa no de, lango Pomali. Oh. Sri Lanka paisa. And this is Malaysia.
Malay.
100 rupees note, all one.
All one day. Indian rupee po.
India. Oh, lang parang mong ate ko man. All 100 rupees. Same here. और ये 50 rupees.
All
All
version.
one. Back side.
Parliamentary house.
All 10 rupees. Recently 10 rupees. ₹2.
Indian wala.
Another 2 rupees. Same. And 1 rupees. Coins convention. Barley.
Alah. Handkerchief cari kan? Handkerchief cari kan?
Jordan ang Atlantic ko.
मैं कुपिली रिवर और कार्बी लंगटी रिवर के बारे में बोलना चाहती हूँ। मतलब हम लोग ने सुना वहाँ पे वो लोग पहले तो कुपिली रिवर और कार्बी लंगटी रिवर भाई बहन थे। तो एक दिन उन लोगों का झगड़ा हो गया। तो झगड़ा होने से लाइक तुम मरने से भी मैं नहीं आऊँगी ऐसा टाइप बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा था। तो वो लोग ने प्रॉमिस ले लिया कि हम दोनों कभी भी बात भी नहीं करेंगे, नहीं मिलेंगे ऐसा। और उस टाइम वो प्रॉमिस की वजह से आज तक भी अगर हम लोग कार्बी लंगटी रिवर में हैं तो वो कुपली का नाम नहीं ले सकता है। और अगर हम कुपली रिवर में हैं तो कार्बी लंगटी का नाम नहीं ले सकता। अगर हम लोग बाई चांस ले लिया, अगर हम लोग ने क्षमा भी नहीं मांगा तो वो हम लोग के मतलब आगे जाके कुछ हो सकता है, इंसिडेंट हो सकता है, ऐसा बिलीव करता है अभी भी। और बोलते हैं कि वहाँ पे अगर कार्बी लंगटी का रिवर का पत्थर उठा के कुपिली में अगर फेंक दिया तो वो पत्थर नीचे में नहीं जाएगा, ऐसा बिलीव करता है। मैंने भी ट्राई नहीं किया लेकिन मैं ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ। और डर भी लगता है कि अगर मैंने ट्राई कर लिया बाई चांस अगर मेरे साथ कुछ हो गया तो हाँ वही। इसलिए अगर कभी भी वहाँ पे जाने से थोड़ा इस बारे
Today
में
I'll be sharing a story about tattoo, face tattoo. In Karbi we call it Duk. So in today's world where everyone is trying our best to make ourselves attractive, beautiful and handsome, while back in the 19th century AD, a group of women tried their best to make themselves ugly or unattractive, less attractive. And that group is the Karbi woman. So it was during this time when the invaders started to take the beautiful women out of their home. So in order to rescue themselves from the cruel egg of the invader, the Karbi woman has come up with an idea to make themselves unattractive. So the young women paint their face with a black vertical line started from the forehead and goes down chin. Chin. It goes all the way down to the chin. So since then, this black line on the face become an identity of a Karbi woman. Thank you.
Okay, so today I'll be sharing about Nothengpi. I'll not particularly talk about the earring, but I'll be talking about the museum. So if you see about Nothengpi Karbi Heritage Museum, there are a lot of tourists who come to look at the museum because in this museum we preserve a lot about our culture, starting from the rituals, etc. But yes, when we think that who came up with the idea of this museum, which is based on the Karbi traditional earring that is Nothengpi. So we talk about this, then there's a person who is like very much close to his mother, and unfortunately his mother died. But when she died, she left one Karbi traditional earring that is Nothengpi.
As you said about the tattoo, there was one of my friend, Kadam Chingtongpi. I met her in class 8 and she got the tattoo. When I asked her, like, the face to बहुत धुनिया आছিলে তাই হা but the tattoo to কানে না মানে চাবলি মানে তো ভাল লাগে so তো চেহারা ইমান ধুনিয়া but to tattoo to কিয় মাৰিছ এনেকা ন then she told me like এনেকা আমাৰ এনেকা আছিলে আমাক কিডনেপ মানে ধুনিয়া ছোৱালী কিটা কিডনেপ কৰি লৈ গুচি যায় তো হেতু কাৰণে আমাক আগলি দেখাবলে আমি tattoo to মাৰো এটুৱে কৈছিল মোৰ কাৰণে so
right
এটু ফটোটো চাও পাৰে
That is our
No, she is not my friend. This is just picture. She is not my friend.
But for which tribe?
right
The tribe is
Sir.